What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of North Cac Outdoors. I'm Jeff, and it is 5:40 in the morning. It's dark. You can barely see me. I apologize, but we're heading to the lake. I feel like it's going to be a good day. Rained a little bit yesterday. Oh wow, you can't even see me. I'm just a voice in the dark. Listen to my voice. Stay tuned. Let's catch some bass. Yeah, God, my drag was so loose. Yeah, better than nothing. Senko, Bass Pro Shop, Senko style. All right, there we go. I'm recording, thank God. First bass of the day. Little guy on the Senko. It was a Bass Pro Shop Senko. It was green pumpkin and blue flake.
Laying on the bottom or?
Hopping it, slowly hopping it. I was kind of... That's what always seems to happen, though, when I'm kind of zoned out, not paying attention. That's when they bite, and then I'm like, wait, well, what was I doing? Week, too. Yeah, this is one of the... Alright, been a while. Oh, this is a good one. Oh, that's a real good bass. Woo-wee. Alright, there we go. Decent bass on the Yum Dinger. Decent bass on the Yum Dinger. Let's try and get him back. Got one. I got one. Stay on. Please stay on. This is decent. Come on. Yes. There we go. Yeah. It's a pale bass. Decent little guy. On the Bandito. I can't get down in this water, so I'm just gonna have to toss them. Thanks for biting, bud. See you next time. Get bigger. Right where he was meant to be. Oh man. All right. Whoa. Whoa, partner. Oh wow, that water's warm. Come on, bud. Turn around. No. I think they're gone. Alright, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give me a like. Hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought, and stay tuned for some more North Cack Outdoors videos coming out soon.